In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Microsoft Edge. If you spend a lot of time browsing at night, or you simply prefer a softer look that's easier on the eyes, turning on dark mode can make a big difference. Let's walk through it together in a clear, simple way. First, launch Microsoft Edge. Look for the Edge icon on your desktop, taskbar, or Applications folder, and open it. Give the browser a moment to load so everything in the interface is visible. Next, head to the menu. In the top right corner of Edge, you'll see three dots. This is the Settings and More menu. Click those three dots to open the full list of options. If your window is narrow, the menu might look a bit condensed, but the three dots will still be there. As a quick tip on some devices, there are keyboard shortcuts that open this menu, but clicking is the most reliable way to make sure you're in the right place. From that menu, click on Settings. This opens in a new tab within Edge, and it's where you can customize how the browser looks and behaves. If a Settings tab was already open, Edge will switch you to it automatically. Once you're in Settings, look to the left sidebar and choose Appearance. The sidebar lists different categories, and Appearance is the one dedicated to how Edge looks. If you don't immediately see it because your window is small, scroll the sidebar or expand the window so the list is fully visible. Now, find the Overall Appearance section on the right and select Dark. The change takes effect immediately, so you'll see the browser frame, tabs, menus, and settings switch to a darker color scheme. This affects the Edge interface itself, not necessarily the content of every website. Many sites will respect your system or browser theme, but some have their own theme controls. If a site still looks bright, check whether it offers a built-in dark mode toggle, usually in its settings or profile area. A couple of quick tips as you get comfortable. You can switch between dark and light anytime using the same appearance page, and there's often a system default option if you prefer Edge to follow your computer's overall theme. Dark mode is great for reducing eye strain in low light and can help conserve battery life on devices with OLED screens. That's it. You've turned on dark mode in Microsoft Edge. If you ever want to fine-tune colors further, you can explore themes and other appearance options in this same section. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more comfortable browsing experience.